Hello. Well, I'm back in the studio. Quite a few updates since last time. I've got a new lift, a new bike, and yeah, there's a story behind it. Get to that soon, but for now, let's go back to where it started. Last year, I found this place not that far from where I live. I put some paint on the walls and the floor. Built my own custom light rig. Installed the kitchen interior. Slowly, I was able to start working here. And then the final detail entered the room. My 2023 Ducati Panigale V4S. The studio finally felt complete. Me and the Pani did about 4,000 great kilometers together. Until I crashed. The bike didn't make it. My knee took a hard hit. At first, they said it was just an internal bleeding, so I started rehab right away. 8 weeks later, after my leg gave out for the second time and I just collapsed, I decided it was time to get my knees checked again. And that's when I found out that the tendon below my kneecap had been completely torn the whole time. It had already healed the wrong way, so now it has to be rebuilt. Since I won't be able to use that leg for a while after surgery, I had to adapt the studio. And that's where this story picks up. The lift showed up just a few days before my surgery, so I had to get it set up pretty quickly. Unboxing 360 kilos on your own isn't exactly easy, especially with only one working leg. I had to come up with a few tricks to get it done. But I've talked enough and I'll stay quiet for a while. You can just sit back and watch a slightly handicapped guy, way too stubborn for his own good, try to get some work done. The result turned out way better than I expected. It's going to make working here a lot easier. Now both me and the studio are ready for the knee surgery.
We're losing him.
And back after surgery, and now I got a new terminated leg with 12 months of rehab ahead of me. Still on crutches, not moving fast, but moving forward. That's all that matters.